morning. Thanks for coming back, guys. I really appreciate it. You didn't even have to watch, and you did, and you came back, and you're watching the second one, so go, you guys. I'm so excited to have you here. Anyway, today we're gonna talk about 5 things that I started doing that helped me really conquer life and start to take control of myself. So the first thing is getting up early. This morning I got up at like 6 o'clock, went to the gym, got home, ready to make some breakfast, ready to conquer the day. If you get up early, you have more of a chance to get more stuff done. Sounds simple, but it's so true. So the second tip to my sustained weight loss is eating breakfast, eating lunch, eating dinner, eating snacks in between, eating whenever I get hungry, and eating at all times of the day, like not giving myself harsh food rules, because to be honest, food is food. It sounds like such a crazy concept, but food is literally just food. So science is science, right? You have carbs, you have proteins, you have fats, you have micronutrients and macronutrients, so big ones and little ones, and all foods matter, right? The human body craves sweet things, it craves savory things, it craves big meals, it craves little meals, it craves all kinds of things. So you shouldn't deny those cravings or deny those urges either. You should use them to your advantage, because your body is going to tell you a lot about you, really. Like today for lunch, I have a pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw on white bread. There we go. You can see it. I'll put a close up of me making my sandwich this morning. But is it the healthiest lunch in the world? No, but there's carbs and protein and fat in here, and it's sweet and salty and delicious, so I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna enjoy it. It's gonna fill me up, and then when I'm done eating, I'm gonna be satisfied and I'm gonna go back to work. That's the point. Be satisfied with what you eat, and then go back to your day. Tip number 2, eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner. Eat when you're hungry, drink your water. That's it. Stop giving yourself such hard rules. Just live along. Eat it. My next tip is to start talking to yourself better, because the better you talk to yourself, the more receptive you're going to be to this new lifestyle that you're trying to create. So, for example, hey me, how's it going? Hey me, it's going great. Nice arms, you just made it through that workout. It was pretty tough. I'm pretty impressed. Thanks, I'm so excited. I've never been able to lift that much weight before, and I finally did it. I can't believe it. Hey me, you're looking like shit. Hey me, I know, I feel like shit. Hey me, I hate my arms. Ugh, I know, your arms are gross. Simple changes in the way that you talk to yourself can honestly impact the way that you portray yourself. Not just, in your own head, but also to those around you. If you love yourself, you're not gonna let yourself be influenced by stupid shit, just to be very honest. And it's amazing how much stuff will actually start to change when you start to change how you speak to yourself. Out loud, in your head, in the mirror, doesn't really matter. Just be nicer to yourself because you're way more capable than you think you are. The fourth tip is to stand more. So I used to work at a desk job where I was in a cubicle all day long. And I got so bored of sitting at a cubicle that I literally took a bunch of cutting boards, stacked them up, put my computer on top of it, and turned it into a standing desk. I honestly kind of hate sitting down. The more you stand, the more you can get done because you're just like, oh, I can go over here, I can do this, or I can go over here and I can do this, and I can multitask, and this, that, and the other thing. I utilize the island in my kitchen a lot. I'm pretty much always standing in this exact spot right here, either working on my laptop, watching YouTube, cooking something, pretty much whatever it is. I stand all the time. I try to stand all day at work. I pretty much always stand up while I'm eating. I sit down in the car at night when I'm like getting ready for bed, like, going to bed, and if I am extremely bored. But I usually try to find something to do if I'm extremely bored because I also don't like being bored. So, stand more. Stand more, you get more stuff done, you're able to multitask a little bit more, and if you have an island in your kitchen, it's a perfect standing desk right there, so utilize that. Oh, and sorry for the sweaty sports bra, just got back from the gym. And lastly, my final tip is to stay consistent. It's kind of in my name, Consistently Courtney on Instagram. The more you stay consistent, the better. You're not gonna be skinny overnight. You're not gonna, lose 100 pounds in a month. You're not gonna lose 10 pounds in a month unless you're doing something extreme. There's no point of going to these extremes because it's nothing that you can live with for the rest of your life. I don't plan on changing for the rest of my life. I want to keep developing better habits, and I want to keep eating healthier foods, and I want to keep moving my body more. I want to keep being consistently healthier because it's not about being the healthiest person you can be because that's unrealistic too. It's about being healthier than you could be, but not your unhealthiest because that's just silly. So I hope you learned something today. I hope you come back for more videos. Thank you again for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting and all of that good stuff. I'm really excited to have you here, and I'm really excited to keep creating more videos for you guys. So hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you have an awesome day. Keep it consistent.